It's the XC painter, doing a little tool unboxing. The first time I've done an unboxing like this, but I was excited to buy this Metaltech scaffolding the other day. It's a 4-foot tall, kind of a mini scaffolding, and I was really excited about it because it looks like it folds up real small and you can slide it into your work van or your garage. And also you can use this on some condo work or apartment work when you have to roll your tools from the van down the hallways and into elevators. You can put all your tools on this to transport stuff or to unload your vehicle, and you could also use this as a staging area inside your job site when you put all your boxes of sundries, tape and paper and stuff on it. So this is aluminum. Once again, it says it's 30% lighter than a steel scaffolding. It has 4-inch casters on it. So I'll undo the box here. So I've already opened up this box and peeked at the instructions. I read all the instructions, which is pretty simple. Only thing you have to do is you turn it upside down, open it up, put the casters on, and insert your pins. Some pins that'll be in here to hold the casters in place. And you close it back up, and then you flip it back right side up, and you're ready to use this guy. It's got some the catalog, other scaffolding systems they make. This is the heavy duty steel framed setups. These are steel framed medium to heavy duty, and they have some of their aluminum series on the back of here. You can check out www.metaltech.co, looks like, to check out their website. So we have the two platforms, looks like, in this bag. They're pretty heavy. Look like they're going to be nice and tough. And they got non-stick coating all the way around these things. So it looks like our hardware is going to be inside this box. Got my razor knife on here. We've got some casters with their safety pins. Some nice rubbery casters here. Wow, this is pretty light. You can see how light this is. It's like it's going to be pretty easy to load in and out of the work vehicle. And you can use this to carry up to 600 pounds, so I think if you have to unload some stuff from the van, even non-work related, if you had to unload a vehicle, you could use this as like a big dolly. So I'm going to turn it upside down. The casters are going in right here. And you gotta take the pins out. Too fast. I'm gonna turn it this. So obviously I'm not even installing these with it in the open position. As long as all these holes line up and you verify that your pins are set correctly, it should work just fine. Like that. Here's the last one, and the second wall. They're all secure. Okay. It's got 4-wheel locks. 1, 2, 4. So there it is. Metaltech 4-foot scaffolding. So I went ahead and lowered one of the platforms down to this position. To make it easier to climb up on, you can just step right on that. And if you need to step up to that one, I got a low ceiling here, so I'm ducking, and I wouldn't need to stand up that high. But that would be the proper way to climb it. I don't think you want to climb it from the outside. You could also use this as a short stand, just to reach a 8-foot tall ceiling. Or just use it as a staging area for all your tools and your sundries, your masking paper, etc. Hang stuff on it. And your respirator, whatever. So I think it's going to be a really good tool. I can't wait to get it out on the job site and give it a try. To tell you the truth, I didn't buy just one of these, I bought a couple, so I have options. I can use them for drying racks. I can put boards across them to hang stuff as drying racks, so I think it's a really good investment, and I'll keep you updated on how they work in the field. So we'll see how they do, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.